There are a lot of people on the internet searching how to make money online, and there are a lot of graduates who just graduated from the universities asking themselves, what can I invest my time and my money into? If you fall into any of this category, then I'm happy to tell you that Forex is the right skill to invest your time in. How exactly do you become a trader and start trading? That is why I created this playlist of beginner's guide to help as many beginners out there to learn Forex trading from the beginning, from A to Z, without paying for free here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, I know the question in your mind is, what is Forex? What is the ideology behind Forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange, which is basically the buying and selling of one currency to get another currency. So as Forex traders, what we do is simply exchanging one currency for another currency. So now imagine this, as a Nigerian, we spend naira here in Nigeria. So I travel to the United States of America. What I do is that when I get to the United States of America, I go to their bank and then exchange my naira for US dollar because I can't spend naira over there. So what I do is that I exchange my naira for US dollar. So in that case, I have just participated in Forex, exchanging one currency to get another currency. So there are many currencies like Euro, GBP, JPY, and many more, USD, and many more. So we are just exchanging one currency for another currency. That is the basic term or the basic explanation for what Forex trading is. So how it really works is that we trade in pairs, just like I said, naira against US dollar. So naira for US dollar. Do you understand? So, and you are predicting. So I want you to know this, that you are not coming into the market. Don't come into the market with the mindset that you want to, like, you are the boss over the market or something like that. No, you are predicting. So when you predict that yes, Euro USD or Naira USD, which is Naira against US dollar, is going to go up, then you are buying. When you predict that this market will go down, then you are selling. That is how it works. It goes up and down. Those who trade the Forex market are the banks, the institutions, the government, and the retail traders like me and you. One very interesting thing about the Forex market is that it is open 24 hours in a day and 5 days in a week, which is Monday to Friday. And in the 24 hours in a day, there are sections in that market. There are sections in that hours. So those sections are the London section, New York section, and the Asian section. Now, to the most exciting part of it all. How do people actually make money from the Forex market? So we make money from the price movement. Now, have this in mind. We buy low and we sell high. Do you understand? So when you buy low, the market tends to go up. So when it goes up, you make your money. And when you sell high, the market tends to come down. So when it comes down, you make money. Remember, you only buy from a low price, from a discount price, and you sell at a very expensive price, which is a high price. The reason why I'm creating this online course is to simplify the basics of Forex trading. I know there are a lot of beginners guide out there, but the reason why I'm creating this is to simplify these basics of Forex trading for intermediate and beginner traders to learn for free and to learn with ease. So now that we know the ideology behind Forex trading and the purpose why I am creating this beginner's guide course, now we'll step forward to downloading the apps that we'll be needing. And the apps that we'll be needing are TradingView and MetaTrader 5. So if you use an Android, you can get it on Play Store. But if you use an iPhone, you can get it on App Store. TradingView is a platform that provides real-life data to help traders analyze and know what is happening in the market. While MetaTrader 5 is a platform where traders get to place trades after analyzing on TradingView. And for you to actually place trade on MetaTrader 5, you need a brokerage account. And what's a brokerage account or a broker? A broker or brokers are companies that stands as a middleman between the trader and the market. So the broker helps us to execute our trade. So the broker takes our order to the market and execute it for us. You know, we are doing it online. It is not physical, so you cannot go to the bank to go and exchange your money. Yes, so online, the broker is the middleman that helps us execute our orders and our predictions in the market.
So this is just to help you open a brokerage account also. So the brokerage account I use is Edways. So you can just check if you use iPhone, check your Safari. If you use an Android, check your Chrome, Google Chrome. Then you just type on Edways. Yes. So This is Edways here. Then you tap on it and you go to sign up. Then you can decide to sign up with your Google, but I'll just use Google. Then tap on Google, register with Google. Then this is my email here, and I'll tap my email, tap on it, and yes, so I'm in because I'm in already, and this is it. So you can just follow this and also do it, and you have a brokerage account. And please note that I'm not a partner of Edways. I just use their brokerage account or their broker, and I like their stuff. And the good thing about Edways is that you can deposit in your local currency. So as a Nigerian now, you can deposit. So let me open an account just to show you. So I'll press create account demo. So you can I'll go for standard. M25. So I can deposit in Naira, which make it easier. Can you see USD, Euro, and Naira? So if I just tap on Naira, then, and the lowest deposit is 2,000 Naira. That's it. Lowest deposit 2,000 Naira. So it makes it more easier for us to deposit and actually trade with you. Do you understand? So you just have to go ahead and verify. You check your dashboard. When you check your dashboard, you see it. You just verify your account. You verify your account, and you can check around here to verify my account, and you'll ask for your NIN, and then you upload your NIN and trade with them. But for now, as a beginner, you don't need to trade a live account. You can open a demo account, which we would touch on the next video.
And finally, we have come to the end of this episode, and by now I hope you understand and you get the ideology behind forex trading. And please, before you go, I'll need you to like and subscribe this video. Liking and subscribing this video will help us get it to many other people that need it. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.